Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to swap XRP on Trust Wallet. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process of exchanging your XRP for other digital assets. We'll cover everything from preparing your wallet to confirming your transaction, ensuring you can confidently navigate the swap feature. Trust Wallet offers a convenient way to manage your crypto, and swapping is a core part of that experience. Let's get started with the first crucial steps. Before initiating any swap, it's vital to prepare your Trust Wallet. First, confirm you have enough XRP for the trade, plus a small amount of the relevant network's native token to cover transaction fees. For Android users, the D-app browser is usually ready. If you're on an iOS device, you might need to type trust//browser enable into your Safari browser to activate the D-app browser feature. This ensures you can access decentralized exchanges. Now let's perform the swap. Open your Trust Wallet and tap on the swap option, typically found at the bottom. Here, you'll select XRP as the asset you want to exchange. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Input the amount of XRP you intend to swap. The app will display the current exchange rate and any associated network fees. Carefully review all the details, then confirm the transaction to execute your swap. After confirming your swap, check your Trust Wallet balance to see your newly acquired tokens. Most swaps are processed quickly, often within a few minutes, but network congestion can sometimes cause slight delays. Always remember to double-check all transaction details, especially the receiving address and amounts, before finalizing. For your security, never share your wallet's recovery phrase with anyone and always use strong passwords. Happy swapping!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.